Today I'm going to talk about self-build mortgages and a few hints and tips. Whether you're a first-time home buyer or a seasoned investor, these tips will help you avoid some costly pitfalls. So let's dive in. Hi, I'm Dan and I'm a CMAP qualified mortgage advisor. I create videos for educational purposes only on various topics about mortgages and property buying. Please contact me directly if you want me to arrange your mortgage, as this video is not advice. If this sounds like something that you'll benefit from, then why not subscribe to get notified for all future videos. Building your own home can be a daunting prospect, but it's also one of the most rewarding things you can do. In the UK, self-build mortgages are available to help you make your dream a reality. In this video, I'll take you through the self-build mortgage process from start to finish so you know what to expect. So step 1, determine your budget and get pre-approved. The first step in a self-build mortgage process is to determine your budget. This will depend on the size and the complexity of the build, as well as the cost of the land and the materials. You can use online self-build mortgage calculators to get an estimate of how much you can borrow, but it's always best to speak to a mortgage advisor to get a more accurate figure. Once you have an idea of your budget, you can get pre-approved for a self-build mortgage. This involves providing your lender with the details of your income, your expenses and your credit history. They will use this information to determine whether you're eligible for a mortgage and how much you can borrow. Step 2, find a plot of land. Once you've been pre-approved for a self-build mortgage, you can start looking for a plot of land to build on. This can be a challenging process, as you'll need to find a location that meets your needs and fits within your budget. It's important to do your research before buying a plot of land. You'll need to consider factors such as planning permission, access to utilities, and the local community. You may also want to work with a professional architect or a builder to help you find the right location for your self-build project. Step 3. Design your home. Once you've found a plot of land, you can start designing your home. This is a critical part of the self-build process, as it will determine the cost of the build and the final outcome. You can work with an architect or builder to create the design that meets your needs and fits within your budget. It's important to be realistic about your budget and to plan for any contingencies, as self-build projects can be unpredictable. Step 4. Apply for a self-build mortgage. Once you have a design for your home, you can apply for a self-build mortgage. You will need to provide your lender with some details of your income, expenses and credit history, as well as a detailed plan for the build. The lender will carry out a valuation of the property to make sure it's worth the amount you're borrowing. They may also require you to provide additional documentation such as building plans and planning permission. Step 5. Release of funds. Unlike a traditional mortgage, a self-build mortgage is released in stages as the build progresses. This is to ensure that the funds are being used as intended and that the build is on track. You will need to provide your lender with evidence of the build at each stage, such as invoices and photographs. The lender will release funds once they are satisfied that the work has been completed to a satisfactory standard. Step 6. Completion. The final step in the self-build mortgage process is completion. This is when the remaining balance of the mortgage is released and you become a legal owner of the property. In conclusion, the self-build mortgage process in the UK can be complex and challenging process, but with the right guidance, it doesn't have to be. By following these steps and working with a reputable mortgage advisor, you can secure the finance you need to build your dream home. You're going to need to provide a credit report to your chosen mortgage broker, so why not watch this video for more information. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.